say Percy? Who's that teacher talking to Professor Quirrell?
Oh, that's Professor Snape, head of Slytherin House.
Long time ago, then I let my hope to get you. As we dream up your daddy, money, Tiraru, the Uja, we should tell you what you know, yet tonight, but they don't know. Satri out chit alone at you. No, I lose the money.
Come on, Mooney. Snape!
I was beginning to worry I'd lost your way.
Like your two of a kind, sentimental children, forever whining about how bitterly unfair your lives have been. Well, it may have escaped your notice, but life isn't fair. Your blessed father knew that. In fact, he frequently sought to.
Avada Kedavra. You have your mother's eyes.
After all this time.
Always.